Are you wondering why your grid layouts never quite line up? In Beaver Builder 2.10, there's a fix for that, and it's built right into the box module. With one click, you can turn on the grid overlay and see your entire grid layout. Coming up in this video, I'll show you where to find the grid overlay icon and how to enable it. Let's get started. For this example, I've already created a layout using the box module. Let's open up the settings for this box module right here. In the box module settings pop-up, navigate to the Container tab and set Display to Grid. Once the grid display is active, a new section will appear below the grid display. The grid icon sits to the right of this heading and looks like a small grid or table symbol. Click the grid icon once to enable the overlay. Visual guidelines appear over your layout, showing you the column lines, row lines, and gap spacing. Click the icon again to hide the overlay whenever you want a clean view. Note that the grid icon only appears when the box module is set to grid. If your module is set to flex or layers, the icon won't be visible. The overlay disappears when you close the box module settings and will not be visible to viewers once you save and publish your page. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video useful. Click the screen to keep watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.